Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy tool that every chainsaw owner should consider adding to their toolkit, the Dremel 1453 Chainsaw Sharpening Kit. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description for you to check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Dremel 1453 Chainsaw Sharpening Kit? This is a specialized rotary tool accessory designed to quickly and easily sharpen dull chainsaws, helping you get back to cutting efficiently. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with a slow or ineffective chainsaw, this kit might just be the solution you need. Let's take a closer look at some of its most important features. Firstly, the kit includes a sharpening angle guide attachment, which ensures you maintain the correct sharpening angle for optimal results. This feature is particularly helpful for those who may not be familiar with sharpening chainsaws, as it takes the guesswork out of the process. Additionally, the Dremel 1453 comes with an adjustment gauge, allowing for precise control over the sharpening depth, which can be adjusted up to 30 mm. This means you can tailor the sharpening process to suit different chainsaw sizes and types, making it versatile for various users. One of the standout features of this kit is the inclusion of 4 different grinding stones. Each stone is specifically designed to match various sizes of chains, ensuring that whether you have a small home chainsaw or a larger commercial model, you'll have the right tool for the job. This variety not only enhances your sharpening options but also increases the lifespan of your chains, saving you money in the long run. So, who is this product suitable for? The Dremel 1453 Chainsaw Sharpening Kit is ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional users alike. If you own a chainsaw for home projects, like cutting firewood or maintaining your yard, this kit can help keep your tool in top condition. On the other hand, for professionals who rely on chainsaws for their livelihood, such as landscapers or arborists, this sharpening kit can significantly improve efficiency and performance, allowing you to tackle more jobs effectively. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine it's a crisp autumn day, perfect for some outdoor work. You grab your chainsaw but realize it's not cutting as smoothly as it should. Instead of struggling with a dull blade, you can take just a few minutes to sharpen it using the Dremel 1453. The sharpening angle guide makes it easy to set up, and with the right grinding stone, you'll have the chainsaw cutting through wood like a hot knife through butter. Another great scenario is during those busy spring and summer months when tree trimming and landscaping projects are in full swing. Rather than wasting time and energy on a chainsaw that's not performing, having this sharpening kit on hand means you can quickly sharpen your tool in between tasks, maintaining productivity without the need for frequent replacements. In summary, the Dremel 1453 Chainsaw Sharpening Kit is an essential accessory for anyone who uses a chainsaw. With its user-friendly design, multiple grinding options, and precision features, it's a game-changer for maintaining your chainsaw's performance. Whether you're a casual user or a seasoned professional, this kit is likely to become a valued part of your toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.